how to fix YouTube is not working on your MacBook. So if you can't access the YouTube website or you're trying to play a video and it's not working, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this issue. Now the first thing you'll need to do is just go and click on Safari at the top of the browser and then press Settings. You could then press Extensions and make sure you're not currently using any Safari extensions. This can sometimes interfere with the YouTube website and cause it not to work. You could then press Security at the top of the page and make sure Enable JavaScript is turned on like this. Now press Privacy and click on Manage Website Data. You'll then need to search for the word YouTube and click on youtube.com. Now go and press Remove and then you can press Done. You could then reload the YouTube website and you can check to see if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, you can also try using a different internet browser as well. So if you're currently using Safari, then what you can try doing is using Google Chrome instead. If it's still not working, then just click on your Wi-Fi symbol and press Wi-Fi settings. You'll then need to press Details next to your Wi-Fi connection, click on Forget this network, and then press Remove. Now, once you've forgotten your Wi-Fi network, you'll need to go and reconnect. You can then try heading back over to YouTube, and that should have solved the issue where it's not working.